To draw an anime schoolgirl, first sketch a circle for the head and add an angled shape to the lower part of the circle to represent her chin and jaw. Use a short, vertical line for the neck and connect a curved line from the neck down to where the pelvis would be located. Then, draw a short, vertical rectangle for her upper body and attach more lines for the limbs. Sketch light outlines of triangles as guides for her hands. Once the basic foundation is in place, add a vertical and horizontal line on her face that intersects in the middle of the circle. Add 2 more bisecting lines on her upper body. These crossed lines will help you determine where to accurately position the rest of her body parts. Sketch in her eyes so the horizontal line goes right through the middle of them. Add small curved strokes for the eyebrows. Sketch an angle for the nose, and add a small curved line for the lips. Add a simple hairstyle using slanted and curved strokes. Then sketch an outfit, like a school uniform, on the girl's body. Darken and refine the details of your drawing and erase any unnecessary lines. Finish your sketch by coloring it in with markers or crayons.